If you have 200,000 ETB to start a business in Ethiopia, there are still plenty of great opportunities. Let's explore ideas that fit a smaller budget but still have strong potential. Tech and digital services. Phone accessories and repair shop. Sell chargers, earphones, and phone cases, plus offer repair services. Photography and videography. With your interest in video making, you can offer services for events, businesses, or social media content. Printing and copy service. Open a small shop near schools or offices for printing, photocopying, and document preparation. Retail and small shops. Mini mart or convenience store. Stock essentials like groceries, snacks, and household items. Clothing or shoe boutique. Sell affordable fashion or even traditional Ethiopian wear. Food and beverage. Small cafe or juice bar. Set up in a busy area and serve coffee, tea, smoothies, and light snacks. Injera or local food delivery. Prepare traditional dishes and offer delivery services, especially in urban areas. Agriculture and farming. Poultry farming small scale. Start with chickens for eggs or meat, which are always in demand. Vegetable or herb farming. Grow fast-selling produce like lettuce, tomatoes, or spices to sell locally. Low-cost service businesses. Freelance digital marketing or graphic design. Help local businesses grow online. Tutoring or skill training. Teach subjects, tech skills, or even pharmacy basics to students. Would you like me to help you pick one, or create a step-by-step plan? Let me know. We can turn that 200,000 ETB into something amazing.